Hey guys, so Elder King X1 is back. Today we're going to be talking about Scratch and how to code with it. So this is Scratch's logo. It's the main sprite, so whenever you make a game with Scratch, this is going to be the first sprite or character that's going to appear on your screen. So there are many versions of Scratch right now. The current one is 3 point something, I don't remember. And you are able to post your creations on the ScratchNet, and people will be able to play them. So, yeah. This is an example of a game that I made with Scratch. I know you don't really see it well, but the concept is to basically take your paddle here, the green paddle, and to hit the ball before it hits the red lines. I don't know if you see the red shape in the corner, but that's part of a line. To make it more difficult, you could just make the line all on top of the screen and all on the bottom. But I decided to make it just the corners, because otherwise it's pretty hard. So here are a few lines of code. Well, they're actually blocks of code. The lines of code are actually embedded. It's like you write the lines of code, and that it creates the block. But Scratch has already written the lines of code, so you just take the blocks and use them. Here on the side, you see a bunch of ideas Scratch gives you, like maybe animate a name and make someone fly, create a Pong game. So, yeah. You can also add effects and sounds. Like here, every time my paddle touches the ball will make a sound and change its color. Also, every time it touches the red, the game just stops and you have to restart because you lose. Also, every time it touches the paddle, here there's in the corner you see a very light 59. That's the score. So each time it hits the paddle, 1, 2, 3, 4, until it hits the red, then you have to restart the game. So that's basically Scratch. But if you want something more complicated, try learning, Python, CSS, languages of programming that you can actually write the code. But that is much more complex than Scratch. Like I told you, Scratch, you just take the blocks from the types of blocks, like movement and sound and effects. There's also motion, which is like movement. There's different types, and you basically take the blocks, and you use it like that. But if you really want more complex and you want to write the code yourself, try learning some other language. Because this isn't really a language, it's just a system where you can use it to make little small games. Anyway, I highly recommend it. It's pretty fun. Here you see all the ideas I've done, each and every one of them. I think maybe a few that I haven't done, but anyway, it's pretty fun, and it's really easy to do it too. And shout out to everyone who made Scratch. I love it, and it's perfect. Honestly, keep updating it and make it better. So, yeah, that's about it for Scratch. Yeah, so see you guys in my next video.